Welcome back, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a landing page for your affiliate marketing business or for your digital marketing. This video is not for you if your sole purpose is to create an e-commerce store. So let's start. The first thing to do is to get rid of all these links here. This is the header section. We want to get rid of this header section and the footer section because we don't need them. We don't need it. So let us get started. Click on edit page. Click on edit page. Then wait for it to load. Exercise some little patience. Once you are here, click on this Astra logo. If you can't find it, then click on these three dots. Then you can see Astra settings. You can click on it. Then it has enabled. Then you can come back to tap on it. Come to the disable elements. Disable the header, disable the footer, disable the banner. Then click on update. Once it's updated, head back to your site. So we're going to refresh it to see these changes. As you can see, we have refreshed it and the header is gone. The footer is also gone with the newsletters. So now to start editing this page, click on edit with Elementor. Elementor is the page builder we'll be using for this, and remember I gave you guys access to the pro version. The pro version gives us extra functionality that the basic Elementor can't give us. So let's continue. Once your Elementor is fully loaded, let's delete this section. Tap on this X to delete. This one too, delete. Delete this. If you want to edit any section, you can tap on these 6 dots here to edit the section. If you right click on your keyboard, you can see to duplicate section, delete section. Let's try duplicating it to see. Duplicate. As you can see, it is now doubled. So let's continue to delete to make it a plain white canvas. Delete. So everything is gone. So we have all deleted we have deleted all the blocks. So now we have to click update to update it. Update is updating. Updated. So let's quickly view the page. Let's refresh this page to view the page. As you can see, it's now empty. It's blank because there's nothing there. So let's start our edit. Go to the Elementor page builder, then click on this plus button to add a box, a section. So we're going to select the structure that we need. You can go with any structure to break it down to different sections you want. But for the sake of this video, we'll be going with this one. This one is enough. It has all the necessary things we want. So next, to click on this plus button here. Click on it. Then that's the interior, the inside plus not this button, but this one. So as you can see, there are a list of options of elements to use. So Elementor works as a drag and drop builder. So we are going to be dragging and dropping. So the heading text is the first one. We drag and drop. Then we enter the next one. We come again. Next one is video. So click on this plus again. Look for video. Drag and drop the video. Yes, the video is here. So the next, you click on this plus. We are going to also add a little text, an action text that will tell them to click on our button below. So click on this plus inside. I'm going to use this text editor and add again this, the plus button. We add button. Then we might decide to add maybe bullet points that will explain for them some of the benefits they will get if they sign up now, so that our page will be more awesome. But I'm going to be adding countdown timer. So counter timer can also serve for urgency. You are free to add text, image, whatever you want to add to make your page look more professional. So I'm going to be adding a countdown timer. So if I click here, see the options. As you can see, the countdown timer is for pro. So to save our time, you can easily search for it here. Count. This is it. Copy, drag and drop, drag and drop it. So the countdown timer should be loaded. It's taking a while. So this is how our page looks like. So let's update. Now let's refresh this page to preview our site. As you can see, all the basic things we added are here. The text, the image that will sell them our services, our products. That's the course we are selling. Um, an action text, the button, and the countdown timer. So this is how it is. Let's go back to continue. So that is what they call responsive mode. So the responsive mode lets you switch between desktop side, tablet, and mobile phone mode for you to see how it will perform in various forms. So to access the responsive mode, come to this place. As you can see where my cursor is, tap on it. As you can see up here, it launches the responsive view. So you can easily click on the mobile portrait to show you how it will be in the mobile. So remember, most of our customers or visitors that will click on our ads will be using mobile. So we have to edit it in such a way that it will meet them, to meet their requirements. So we are going to obey the mobile first rule. So we have, sorry about that. So we have to optimize our mobile view. So to get started, there are some certain things you need to know. If you are editing the mobile view, it won't necessarily affect the desktop view. But if you are editing the desktop view, it will affect the mobile view. So if you want to edit the desktop view first. Then later on you can now come and edit the mobile view. So let's get started. So here let's input some text here. So this is the write-up I came up with. Discover the secret Nigerians are now using to make up to $2,000 weekly. Autocorrect. So the next is to forget about this link stuff. It's not necessary. Then size default, HTML tag, H2 alignment. Let's make it middle aligned, center aligned. Then for the style, we are going to the text color, going to make it darker. The typography, we can increase or decrease the text here. It's left for you to design it in a way that suits you. Then for the width, you can make it like 800 so that it become deep and darker and bolder. So the line height, the letter spacing, the word spacing, everything seems okay. So the text stroke, text shadow, everything is okay. So adjust let's adjust the spacing. So we can adjust the spacing by coming to this place, margin or padding. So you can easily move this thing. As you can see, it's being adjusted. It's being adjusted. So I think this will do. The spacing here is okay. If you want to adjust them individually, you can tap this place to deactivate the linking so that they won't be linked together. Then you can easily adjust one. You can easily adjust one, or you can come to this place to write it. So let's say I want this one to be 86. You see, 86, 46. So this is how to adjust it. And next is our video. So to edit the video, we're going to tap on this thing, this edit button here. So tap on it. So we are going to edit this link and put our link our YouTube link. So let me quickly edit it. So I just added my YouTube link. So by now you should know how to get your own YouTube link. So next is this text. So click on this pen icon, then triple tap to delete. Then alright, so this should do. Click the link below to get started. First 25 people only. So then come to style it, center align. As for the color, let's edit the text color. So we make it black. Typography, let's just leave it like this, it's okay. Then for the spacing, you can equally give some spacings. So you can also go with padding option. So let's continue to this. Click on the pen to edit. And for this button, center align. Then small, you can make it to be large. Doesn't matter, you can still customize it. Then for the text, let's write maybe connect now. So let's update. Our countdown timer is here to show. I don't know why. Let's refresh this page. So I've refreshed the page and it's now showing. So let's click on it to edit it. So click on it. Let's come to style, background color. You can easily change the background color to whatever we want, or make it white. So I'll be leaving it to blend in with the other background. So I think this should do the trick. Then let's edit the colors. Come to this place, tap on this pen icon. Once you are there, then head over to content. So you are done with the boxes. So you can close this one by tapping on this boxes to close it. Then open the content tab where you can edit the content. So you can tap on this place to change the color. I'm making it dark. Then for the typography, you can alter the size. Then for the label, dark, the size seems okay. Let us eliminate the days, so you can easily remove the days. For the countdown type, to be evergreen timer, so that even if you hit 0, it will restart again. So you can change the hours to when you want the hours to start, or the minutes to your desired taste. So this is it. Let us update it. So let us head to the mobile view. Click on responsive mode, then click on this. As you can see, this is how it looks. It looks awkward. So we are going to edit it again for mobile. So click here, come to style, then typography. See, size. You want to adjust the size. Adjust it, adjust it, adjust it. You can see there is too much space in here. So let's change it by going to the advanced section. It's from this. So let's unlink them. As you can see, it has changed. Then let's adjust the top a bit. The top has been adjusted. Then the bottom adjusted. Then the right, let's make the right to be something like 5. The left 5. Okay, it looks decent. Let's go back to style and increase the text once more. It's looking a bit small. Yeah, something like this. Then for this, everything is here seems okay. And for this, let us edit this. Let's come to style, typography, then you can alter the size too. Then family, you can change the font color. So I will go with Helvetica. I like Helvetica. Then as for the style, I will leave it at italic. You are free to do whatever you want there. So the weight, I can try to make it a bit darker. No, this is light. Let's go with medium. Yeah, medium is okay. Then this connect now, you can edit it too by tapping on this pen here. Then come to style. As you can see, you can change the button, the text typography. You can also add text shadow, text color, background color, whatever you want to do, you can do it. So let's change the background color. So see, you can make the button red, black, whatever you want. Just find a decent color. I'm leaving it. I'll be leaving green for the sake of this tutorial. So for the text, let's try to edit this text further. It seems okay. For the button, you can also change the corner radius. Come to this border radius, then you can adjust it to make it a bit curvy. As you can see, it's getting curvy and curvy. So you are free to change it however you want, to look however you want. So as for padding, let's unlink this. We can make the top, we can give it like 10, 20, the bottom, 20, the right, 80, the left too, about 80, to make it bigger and more pronounced, so that they can, they will not miss the button, so that they will see it and indeed click on it. So as for this, we can edit this, then come to this place to come to style, go to contents, typography, adjust the size. Then for the label also, you can also adjust the size. So yeah, this is it for this video. Let us update.
If you are here for one thing and one thing alone. You want to learn how to make passive income. So you want to learn digital marketing.
As you can see, the video you have to use here, make sure it's a short video of about a minute to 2 or maximum 3 minutes, so that you use that video as an introduction and introduce them to the course or what you are about to teach them, or at least to build this anticipation so that they will eagerly click that link to connect with you. So make sure it's a well positioned video in which you are properly dressed with the right clothing and well positioned with your branding inspiration. So you have to tell them about it. If you have some results already, some numbers, you can show them your results, the numbers you are doing, some testimonials, so that they will believe, yeah. So it's really important. And show them, if you have already started making sales already, and show them the sales you have made so far. So this will help you trust and know that, yeah, this is legit, this thing is legit. So you can easily show them how you got sales or how you make it as an app. So thank you for watching, and with this, let's refresh this page. Let's refresh this to see the new look. So this is the look. If you are using, yeah, you can also edit this to make it bigger in the mobile, in the desktop view. So this is the view. So you can edit it, you can further tweak it to meet your needs. So thank you guys for watching, and in the next section I'll be teaching you guys how to create for e-commerce. All right, goodbye, peace out.